Hello students, this is called a hookup wire and this is called a stripper. With this we can strip the wire or cut it. If you press it too much, it gets cut the wire. If you just give gentle and pull it, you get the wire. So it's a single strand. These are used in breadboards. So the other side, the strip. This is called a breadboard. As you will see, there are point contact holes for the hookup wires to go. Now on the top side, all the points in this line up to the marker here are joined underneath. The same for the top line. So there are two lines, and down line on the other side of 5 of the break, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. All the lines are connected on top side and down side. Therefore you get 2 lines on top and 2 lines on top this side. All the points which are here are joined vertically. So you'll see 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, and so on. Downside is the same. All the points are joined, so you get numerous lines. The IC is put between these lines and these lines. So this is a break. On the downside, you will also see what is on top. You have 2 lines up to here, 1 line, and the next line which is down, and the same on the other side. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 lines. This is the IC. You'll see a notch over here, or you may see a point down here. So this is the first pin, second, third, fourth, up to 7, and then it goes on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the last pin 14 pin. And you'll see the number 74 AC00. So it is 7400. So this is a NAND gate. So now we are going to fix the IC on the breadboard. Have a look at the notch. The notch should face your left, or your left hand side. So take the IC, put in the middle between the breaks and press it. So the notch is here. So this is pin number 1, 1, 2, up to 7, 8 is on the other side, and up to 14. Now we come to making connection for the NOT gate. The NOT gate is 7404. You take the ground and you put it to the negative or the ground of the source. You take pin number 14 and connect it to the positive, which is kept at plus 5 volts. The output of the NOT gate, put it to the anode of diode, and the cathode of diode, you put it to the ground. And the input could be logic 0 or logic 1. So if you want to give a logic 0 for pin number 1, which is the input, you take it and put it to the ground. If you want logic 1 for the input to pin 1, take it and put it to VCC. Okay, so the input is 0. If I want the input to be 0, take the input and connect it to ground. If I want the input to be 1, take the input pin number 1 and put it to plus VCC. That equal to plus 5 volts. And to check the output, you check whether the diode lights up or not. If it lights up, it's at logic 1. If it does not light up, it's at logic 0. So now we come to testing of the NOT gate. So this gate, first gate is the NOT gate 7404. Pin number 7, I've taken it and put it to one of the horizontal lines. And this line is taken and put to the ground of the source. Pin number 14, I've taken a wire and put it on the next horizontal line, and I've taken the connection from here and put it to the positive of source. So this positive of source is kept at plus 5 volts. Then pin number 1 of the IC, which is the input, I've kept it open here. I have to put it to either logic 0 or logic 1. That means if it is logic 0, I take it and put it to the ground. If it is logic 1, I take it and put it to the positive of the source. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to switch on the power supply. I'm taking this and keeping it at logic 0. So the LED lights up. I'm taking now the input of the first NOT gate and putting it to logic 1, that is VCC equal to plus 5 volts. The LED does not light up. So logic 0 is 1, logic 1, the output is 0. So I've tested one of the gates of the NOT gate. So the source is kept at plus 5 volts, as you can see here. Next we come to checking of OR gate. OR gate is 74LS32. Pin number 1 and pin number 2 are the inputs. Pin number 3 is the output. So the output I have connected to a LED diode. Cathode I put to the ground, and pin number 7 to ground. Pin number 14 I put to VCC. And now other two inputs, A1 and B1, or A and B, 0, 0, if both are 0, A 0, B 0, I take both the wires and I put it to ground. If A and B are both 1, I take both the wires and put it to VCC, which is equal to plus 5 volts. If it is 0 and 1, I take A and put it to ground, and the other one I put it to VCC. So the truth table is 0, 0. I take both the wires of the inputs A and B and put it to ground. If both are 1, 1, I take both the wires and put it to plus VCC. If A is 0, B is 1, I take A and I put it to the ground, and B I put it to plus 5 volts. Now we come to the testing of the OR gate. So I take the two wires, which are A and B. If both are 0, then the output is 0. If A is 1 and B is 0, the output is 1. And if I reverse the wires, A is 1 and B is 0, or B is 0 and A is 1, the LED lights up. And if both 1, 1, the LED also lights up. But when both are 0, the LED goes off. So we have proved the working of the OR gate. So in the same manner we can test all other gates in the procedure which I have just shown. So student, this is a circuit in which it is of a NOT gate and all the gates are connected. So the 7404, which is the NOT gate. So let's test the NOT gate. So 5 volts, this is the input. If input is 1, the output is 0. If the input is 0, then the output turns out to be on. So all gates are tested at one time.